Golly, golly gosh, that's gone everywhere. Oh, it's going well so far, guys. Absolutely. Then, what do we have here? Hi guys, so for today's video I have this month's Lush Kitchen unboxing. Very excited. I mean, obviously because last month's was a bit late, it seems like this is coming around really soon, which I'm not mad at. Like, I love a kitchen box. So this one is I think it's like a tropical-y type theme, I think, from what I remember. I have seen a couple of unboxings online. I've tried not to look too much in depth to them, but I do pretty much know what's in there. So we'll open it up and have a little look, shall we? Smells delicious. Very nice. This is the box. I've got the XL as usual. Probably not going to deviate from my XL, I don't think, because it does make me extremely happy. Let's slide her open and have a little look. Got your product list, and then I always forget to show you, but I'm sure you know if you get them, if you get the boxes. Should I tear this? Let's tear this. Oh, here we go. If you open your slip up, it has all your details in there now. It's got your QR code that you can scan and have a look at your products online. I've never actually used a QR code, but I think it's a nice little scrollable sort of experience, so I might try it out. But yeah, so it says, so this is June, issue 61, Big Tropical Energy. This month we've harnessed that big tropical energy with scents of juicy pineapple, fresh coconut and passion fruit. And then it says the stuff that spoils it, so I won't read that out, we'll just go through the products. So we'll just pluck out, and the first thing that's waking me in the face, which I'm very excited for, is the Super Milk Kitchen Exclusive Shower Gel. Now, we did have this in a community release last year, but I didn't get it, and I don't know why, because I love Super Milk a lot. I have seen one video which says this is a little bit watery. Now, I don't know, obviously, because I didn't get the community release one, if that one was watery as well, but we'll have a little go with it. We'll have a little test, shall we? So let's open it and sniff it. Oh yes. Should I shake it? It is a little watery, but oh. I swear I like literally the same whenever I sniff stuff. I'm like, oh, like bloody Scooby-Doo. That's delicious. Feels a little bit more, smells a little bit more like creamy than Super Milk. Not as much of like, there is the lemon there, you can definitely smell it. I wouldn't say it's like exactly the same as the hair primer. Again, like I said, I think you've got to be an absolute genius to be able to get a certain scent to smell exactly the same in every single product. Like, I feel like, is that even possible? I don't know. But Lush do a very good job at making them smell similar. The Super Milk Bath Bomb I find very, very spot on to the conditioning hair primer. The Super Milk perfume I adore, but I find that a little bit more like stronger, pokey, smokier. Do you know what I mean? But I really do like that. And this one feels a little creamier. But nonetheless, you can tell it's Super Milk. I'm just being pernickety. Pernickety? Finickety? Let's give it a squirt out, shall we? Oh yeah, oh gosh. Golly, golly gosh, that's gone everywhere. Oh, okay. That smells even more like lemony cupcakey than usual. It's very much a lot more creamy in that, I find, but it's really, really good. Oh, I'm so happy. It has been a while since I've had a large shower gel in a kitchen box. I'm like absolutely 1,000,000% yes. Divine. It is milky, it is. But we'll give it a bash in the bath, we'll have a go with it, and then we'll see how it goes. Can you guys help me out? Would you like a long form video where I test the whole kitchen box all together, or do you prefer the little shorts that I upload like daily? Because there are a lot of product releases and stuff coming out, and keeping up with it can be a little bit like but like difficult. Not that I don't enjoy it, I thoroughly enjoy it, but yeah, would you want like a long form, not me in the bath naked, but you know what I mean, like me trying all the stuff out for you guys? Yeah, so long form or shorts, let me know what you guys prefer. That's very smoothing on my hands feel lovely now. Yeah, very happy with that. next. I'm very excited for this. It's the passion fruit body scrub. It says, we're keeping the passion alive. Our juicy, fruity scent is back. This time in a scrubby cast of sugar and creamy cocoa butter base to leave you soft, sweet and smelling like a tropical treat. Sorry, didn't even show you. I can smell it already. Delicious. Very nice. The colour is lovely. Oh, that is really, really strong smelling. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I love the formulation of the sugar scrubs. They're absolutely amazing. Oh my actual God. Oh, we all know what passion smells like, I'm sure. It is just a most like fruity, tropically, fruit punch like scent. Oh, it's like a fruity tropical slush puppy, like delicious. Oh wow. I am thrilled with that, absolutely thrilled. Oh, fantastic. Oh, it's going well so far, guys. Let's keep it going. What should we pull out next? Right, here we are. We've got the, I believe this is called Phuket Bath Bomb. So Phuket in Thailand. It's got its own little bath bomb. It's gonna focus. There we go. Doesn't look too thrilling on the outside. Is this the one in the spoilers where it releases like a bit of oil? I can't remember. We'll have to give this a bash, see what it does, see if it's fancy. Starts off quite like pungent and clean, and then it goes a bit like coconutty. What we got in it? There we go. So it's coconut cream, coriander seed, I think I can smell the coriander, vetiver, orange oil and desiccated coconut. I mean, is it my favourite scent in the world? No, but I could see it being a vibe with those products. I'm hoping all of this gels quite nicely together. I'm probably just going to use it all together. To me it's clean but also quite punchy. I think it is the vetiver and the coriander in there. It's okay, it's alright. I will use it because I like a bath bomb. Got that. Next up we have the, this is called Jasmine Cream. Jasmine Cream Bubble Bar. Very pretty flower. Oh, I've also seen, it was Rachel's video I watched, wasn't it? Her unboxing. That this is a smidge on the old crumbly side. That's not too bad. Mine's not too bad. At the bottom's just a little bit more crumbly. Perhaps some people's might have got wet maybe. Mine's quite solid. Very pretty, and I'm actually really excited to use this because I did see someone using it the other day, and I think it has, if I remember correctly, like a Play-Doh-y type substance in the middle, which I'm very excited for. So I think that'll be fun. I think I'll just use the whole lot of this as a little treat. Maybe we'll put these, they complement each other quite nicely. This is a very creamy floral jasmine scent, but I like it. I think florals are growing on me a lot more recently. I think they definitely are. I think it's just some old lady florals that I'm not a big fan of, but this is very nice. It's definitely got a lovely creamy vanilla-ness to it with some floral. It has in it jasmine absolute, ylang ylang, benzoin resinoid, bergamot, extra virgin coconut oil, gardenia extract. Nice. I'm excited for that. I really am. I'm excited to see what pops out the centre. I think I'm right. I'm not going to break it now. I was like, I'm going to break it. No, I'm not. Next up, we've got the bamboo soap. Just the shape of a little bamboo shoot. I feel like the shape of this is really quite nice. It'd be nice to use in your hands, not too fiddly. I don't know. I judge soaps quite harshly, I think, and I think it's because I know how long they take to use up and how many I currently have that I need to get used up, so I think I judge them a little bit too harshly. If it doesn't like, if I'm not like, oh, that's phenomenal, then I'm a bit like, meh. It's not bad. What's in it? Coconut oil, bamboo shoots, extra virgin coconut, mimosa, cassia absolute, cedarwood, vetiver, styrax resinoid, gardenia extract. It's very unusual, but like not bad. Just not like my favourite either. I suppose it is like quite bamboo-y. I don't really know how else to describe it. Fresh, but a tiny bit green. Not like too overwhelming tree-like shrubbery though. It's not too in your face, but it's okay. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know on that one. Very creamy. I say that every time, don't I? Lush types are very creamy, so. Last product is this. Yes. We've got Big Calm Body Conditioner. Ride the waves of coconut and pineapple aromas in this conditioning cocoa butter cocktail softens and sensual skin. Nice creamy looking one. Ooh, nice and big. That looks good. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, that's lovely. Very mild, but yes, very coconutty, very pina colada. Hang on, is there oh no, this isn't the last one. There was another thing here as well that I was like tripping because I was like, how? What? I'm so confused. 8. No, there's 7 products. I can't count. I was like, is there 8 things there? This can't be right. But no, Charlie just can't count. We have another product at the end, which I'm the most excited for, and I'm hoping is divine. Yeah, this is very pina colada, but mild. Like a lovely creamy, coconutty, tropical drink. Very nice. Let's pop it on, shall we? Excuse my nails, I haven't done them. Oh yes. Absolutely. That is like a drink I've had on holiday. That's tripping me out. Oh, is it pina colada? It might be. Absolutely. That's divine. Oh, I like that a lot. Very happy with that. It smells quite mild in the tub, but then when you put it on, it really sort of comes to life. Lovely. Then, what do we have here? I'm hoping I like this. I really do. I'm a bit worried. So this is the Pineapple Grunt perfume. So Styrax Resinoid, Vetiver perfume, which will be the rest of it. That makes the scent, I suppose. Comes in a little black thing. What are these? Are these 10ml? I think they're 10ml. 10ml. Pineapple Grunt. Now I think I did smell Pineapple Grunt at the event that I went to, but I didn't buy it. So I'm hoping, why didn't I buy it? Who knows, let's give it a go. I don't have perfume on. Oh God, I really inhaled particles then. Hang on. Give me a minute. I don't know. I do like it, and then there's something in there that I'm not big on. Don't know about that one, you know. I don't think I'm the biggest fan of that. It's almost got something like leafy in it, like I don't know. Something quite savoury and leafy mixed with pineapple, and obviously I like the pineapple, but I'm not too sold on the leafiness. Oh, I don't think I like it that much. Well, that's very sad, isn't it? I was very excited for that, but never mind. I mean, yeah, I'm happy with it in the sense that the main things I like are the larger, more substantial potted items, so that makes me happy. So I love all of these. The passion fruit's defo the favourite, then the super milk, then the Big Calm, but they're top 3 100%. I'm gonna have to give these guys a bash in the bath to judge them properly. But if this has Play-Doh in the middle, yeah, I'm a sucker for anything inside of something. It's just a bit of me. This smells better now that I smell the perfume. I definitely I prefer this over the perfume. Yeah, the perfume's not for me. That's really quite sad, isn't it? I don't know why I thought I liked Pineapple Grunt. Anyway, that's nice. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty certain I don't like the perfume, because if I'm saying that I like floral more than fruity, that's like, doesn't sound like me. So I don't think I'm a fan of the perfume, which is very sad, but never mind, we move on from these things, it's fine. This is nice. Not a bad box all in all, I don't think. No, not a bad box. 5 of those products I'm perfectly happy with. The soap, like I said, I judge soaps a little bit too harshly. I probably won't keep the soap, and I probably won't keep this. So I mean, yeah. But never mind. That has made me sad though, because I do love a perfume, but I've got a spot on my arm. What did you guys think of this month's box? If you've got yours already, I know a lot of you guys in America, Canada, North America, I think you guys have got your boxes a few days before us, which I love that for you guys, I really do. It's about time you get something before we do, so yay for that. And then I think most of us in the UK have got ours probably today. So yeah, let me know what your favourite product was out of that box. I'm very excited for next month's box, the lemon box. That's going to be divine. But yeah, let me know in the video, do you want a long form or do you want the short ones? And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!